Hey there my friends, John here of course, and I don't even think I need to tell you guys just how useful duct tape can be. In fact, those of us that spend much time in the outdoors typically find a way to carry some of it along with us, whether that's wrapped around the handle of our trekking pole or even on our water bottle. Stuff sure does come in handy. Well, today I just wanted to share a really quick alternative on how you can not only carry a little bit of duct tape along with you, but it serves a double purpose as well. A great way to carry a bit of extra duct tape along is to wrap it around your backpacking stove's fuel canister. This not only ensures that you have a good supply of the stuff, but allows you to quickly grab a piece for whenever the need may arise. It can also be incredibly handy if you like to get out when the temperatures are really cold. In the event that you somehow inadvertently go to grab that freezing metal without gloves on, that duct tape will prevent you from getting a little bit of frostbite on the old fingertips. Well, I know this was an incredibly simple one, but hopefully it comes in handy for you somewhere down the road. Either way, please feel free to drop a comment down below, let me know what you think, or just to say hi. Always love hearing from you guys. And until next time, I just wanted to say thank you all very much for the support. It is truly appreciated. Until next time, take the best care. We'll be seeing you soon.